Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you one item that I purchased at Walmart. This was only $10.97. I took it out of the box yesterday and I set it up here on my island, and I cooked the Mexican rice on this eye, and it cooked really well. The hot plate, it gets really hot really fast, and I really like it. So I think I'm gonna keep this item. I was just there about 2 days ago. So if you go into Walmart's now, you'll probably be able to find this item. So have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.